You're watching Telecom TV's exclusive video coverage of the Gen 15 event from Dallas. I'm joined now by Chen, President of the MAF. Nan, thanks for talking with Telecom TV again.
Thank you, my pleasure.
One of the MAF's key initiatives is the third network. Remind us again what the third network means and why it's important to the industry.
Good question. I'm getting asked a lot about that. So the first network we always define as the internet, which is consumer-based best effort network. And the second network we typically call the business networks based on Carrier Ethernet 2.0 or MPLS-based networks. That network is used by business with the performance and security guarantee, but there's no agility and ubiquity like the internet. So we thought it would be cool to have a new network and combine the best of the both worlds. So in other words, have the internet-like agility and ubiquity, plus Carrier Ethernet-like performance security. So therefore, the third network.
Now, it was about a year ago you first announced this?
Yes, we launched that just about a year ago, and at this event, in fact. And we obviously very pleased to see the progress that's made over the year.
So what has the response from the telecoms industry been?
The industry has been tremendous. If you've seen from what we hashed initially, the puzzling phase people had, third network, LSO, what's that? Till today, you've seen people talking for all the keynotes, all the panels, they're all talking about the same thing, about how to actually enable dynamic services, support the third network services vision, enabling by the LSO, lifecycle service orchestration.
Now, I'm guessing you can't do this yourself as the MAF. You need collaboration. You need other associations and parties to be involved.
Yeah, absolutely. We started the program called MAF Unite. That program is really to work with other SDOs to basically develop the whole picture so that you can deliver this third network vision. And that including ONF, OPNFV, NFV, ISG, and ITU, and so on and so forth. And that collaboration has been really, really good. I think traditionally we sending liaisons, between organizations, but now we're actually doing a lot more than that. We're actually sending people, and things can move a lot quicker.
You mentioned some open source communities there. This is so different for the telecoms industry, isn't it? To get the involvement of the open source community. What are the challenges that represents and presents to you?
Yeah, you're right. I think there is a mindset shifting, in terms of in the telecom industry, both from vendor perspective as well as from the service provider perspective, because they always used to provide, kind of close the box. And now the things start really open. But once they open the floodgate and things just start flowing. In fact, we actually have a demonstration here. We call it LSO Hackathon. We have 40-some developers, some with a hoodie on, just pounding away, develop the code for LSO APIs. So we'll see, pretty shortly, within a day or two, we'll see how the results look like. But there's some very smart people in that room.
So for any telcos that are sort of hovering and thinking, is this a route we want to go down, what's the message for them? Why should they be invested in the third network?
The third network is going to generate a tremendous amount of new services, revenues for them, for multiple reasons. And I think one of the most significant, or our initial focus is a business to the cloud connectivity. And that connectivity traditionally actually going through internet, which is not guaranteed, and service quality is not guaranteed, and so does security. And with the third network vision, it gave them ability to be able to connecting to all the cloud providers directly with the guaranteed services, and be able to connect any cloud, not just the one cloud service provider, but any content via third network, enabled by LSO.
Fascinating. Nan, as ever, thank you very much indeed.
Absolutely, thank you.